A very good morning to all my wonderful kids. Today I am going to teach you see the picture and write the name. In this pattern we will identify the picture, then write the name of the picture. Now look at this picture and tell me whose picture is this? Yes, you are right. This is the picture of a lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Now let us see whose picture is this? Yes, you are right. This is the picture of a yak. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. Y-A-K, yak. Once again, Y-A-K, yak. Now let us move to our next picture. Okay, tell me, whose picture is this? Yes, you are right. This is the picture of a bear. B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Now let us move to our next picture. This is the picture of a duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now let's write number 4. D-U-C-K, duck. Once again, D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now tell me, whose picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of a panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Now let us write number 5. P-A-N-D-A, panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. P-A-N-D-A, panda. Now my dear lovely kids, it's your turn to do this pattern. See the picture and write the name at home with the help of your parents. Thank you. Have a nice day.